Hi friends, this is Manish Khanna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a recipe which I'm very nostalgic about. In my childhood, there were a lot of bakeries around my house where you could just go and buy a small packet of wine biscuits, which were just small round treats, flat biscuits, which used to taste heavenly. So today I'm going to be showing you that, and let's get started. सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन ताकि हम लाते रहें आपके लिए सिंपल बेकिंग रेसिपीज।